In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account on Wise using an iPhone in 2025. Whether you're new to Wise or simply need a refresher, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, to ensure a smooth experience. So grab your iPhone and let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wise account. You can do this either through the app on your iPhone or by visiting the Wise website. If you've opted for the app, make sure it's up to date for the latest security and performance tweaks. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Next, focus your attention on the bottom menu of the app. Here you'll see an option labelled Recipients. Tap on this to proceed. This section is where you manage all the account connections for sending and receiving funds within Wise. Once you've entered the Recipients section, you'll need to select and tap on a currency. Wise supports multiple currencies, so make sure you choose the currency that corresponds to the bank account you're intending to link. This step is crucial because it ensures that your transactions are processed smoothly and without any hitches. After selecting the currency, look for an option that says Enter Bank Details. Tap on this and you'll be taken to the next stage where you start inputting your account specific information. Right after tapping, you'll be given the choice to specify the ownership of the bank account. In this case, tap Myself to indicate that you are linking your personal bank account to your Wise account. Now it's time to enter your account details. This includes several key pieces of information. Let's break these down one by one. You should first enter the full name of the account holder. Ensure that the name matches exactly with what your bank has on file, as any discrepancies might lead to issues down the line. Next, input the bank name. This is usually straightforward, but double check just to be safe. Finally, you'll need to type in the account number. Be sure to enter these digits carefully to avoid any errors that could delay the linking process. Once you have all this information entered correctly, go ahead and tap Continue. At this point, Wise will start processing the linking request. This part is typically quick, but it might take a moment for the system to verify your details. And just like that, your bank will be successfully linked to your Wise account, you'll receive a confirmation, and from there you're all set to transfer or receive funds as needed. Linking your bank account is one of the key steps in taking full advantage of Wise's platform, enabling you to manage your finances efficiently and conveniently right from your iPhone. There you have it. With just a few taps, you've successfully linked your bank account to Wise. Remember, accuracy is vital throughout this process, so take your time while entering details. Thanks for watching and happy banking with Wise.